Moving further, let's discuss about the types of resources. Different types of resources are done on the basis of on different bases. First one is basis of origin. Origin, you all understand that how it has been originated from the nature. First one, on the basis of origin, it can be classified as biotic, that is flora and fauna, fisheries, and abiotic, rocks, metals, minerals. You all know these both the things are nature given. It is a gift of nature, but it is classified on the basis of origin. One is biotic and the other one is abiotic. Then on the basis of exhaustibility, that how fast it can be finished. First one is renewable and the other one is non-renewable. Renewable is it can be replaced by physical, chemical or mechanical process. For example, solar and wind energy, water can be renewed, forest after burning can be renewed, wildlife by birth they can be renewed. This is on the basis of exhaustibility that they can be renewed. Non-renewable resources means which take thousands of years to renew, like fossil fuels, for example, petrol, crude oil. They are not easily renewable. They take thousands of years to get back. So we should use the resources very, very carefully. Next is on the basis of ownership. What belongs to me? First is individual. What an individual owned privately by individual, like we own our cars, we own our houses, farmers own their land, wells. Anything which is owned by a particular individual is considered as individual. On the basis of ownership, other classification is of the community, like grazing grounds. It is not for particular one person. Public parks, picnic spots, village, ponds, rivers, they are not of any particular individual. It is a community. The whole community can use. Next basis is national resources. All the resources which are in one particular nation, like railways, wildlife, everything, that are national resources. Anything that is found within the political boundaries and oceanic area up to 12 nautical miles is considered as national resource. And international resource are the oceanic resources beyond 200 nautical miles. I hope you must have noticed this variation, that national resources are oceanic area up to 12 nautical miles and international is resources beyond 200 nautical miles of the exclusive economic zone, and nobody can use without the consent of international institutions.